Hi, this is Bill Freeman with Freeman's Construction. We're here in Ramona starting on a new job this morning. It's a whole house remodel that we're just getting going on. We've got Ace Hauling here, that's our demo contractor, and they're starting right now on the outside. And they've got the roof that they're tearing completely off, and they're trying to beat the heat, I'm sure, because it's warm up here in Ramona today. So they're going to basically tear off the whole roof. The whole outside exterior will get completely stripped. All of the brick, siding, everything's coming off. The house will have a stucco finish on it. The whole front of the garage, this whole roof is coming off. We're going to get rid of that whole hip section, and that will all come off, and there'll be a smaller gable over the garage right here, and then there'll be a new raised entry that we're going to put in on the front where the front door is right there, with new columns and brand new roof. There's a lot of plywood that we've got to fix and replace, and let's go inside and I'll kind of give you an overview of what's going to happen on the inside. All the windows are coming out. We're going to put all highly energy efficient windows in. These are all an older window and do not meet code. And the house is dark inside, so by putting all new windows in, we're going to change the sizes and open things up. Basically, everything is getting completely stripped in here also. We're going to tear off all the drywall, all the ceilings. It has the old blow-in insulation. We're going to upgrade to a spray foam insulation, which is highly efficient, and it also eliminates all the roof penetration, so for fire we don't have any trouble with embers that are going to be getting in the roof. So it's really important when we're in these high fire zones. This is the old kitchen. Again, this will get completely gutted out. The old raised or lowered soffit in here, we'll raise that, get that back up to height, and everything will be completely gutted. We will leave a couple of walls in here, even though they're going to be coming out, just structurally to help hold the building together. So we're also going to be taking out this fireplace right here. That's going to come completely out. It's going to get moved more over into the middle here, so it'll be more centered in the great room area. And then we're also going to open up this whole back wall. Once we get that out of the corner, we're going to put a 16-foot sliding glass door in here, which will open up to the back of the property, which has a beautiful view out to the back of their property. And then we have a couple of structural issues that we're going to deal with. Once we change this wall, there's a big girder truss that goes across here that bears down right here that now will be where this window's at. So we're going to have to underpin this with concrete. We have a structural engineer that's designed that for us, so we'll do that there. And then also on this wall over here, with all the new codes that we have now, the structural design is going to require a wall that's going to go underneath right there. So we will be cutting that, and then we will be redoing that whole foundation right there. So we'll take some more video and keep you updated on the progress. Thank you.